Hello and welcome back to me sa channel na to. Ang daming nangyari. Sobrang naging busy ako and ang daming nangyari. Parang, ano ba? Parang nawala ako sa alignment ng aking buhay. Nawala yung pagiging part ng routine ko yung pagpo-podcast or pag-film ng video. Tapos hanggang sa nag-Korea na with family, tapos ayun. So now, na-remind ako ni Gold kasi si Gold ay nag-start na ng podcast. So panoorin niyo siya. The Trentahin Podcast. Yun yung pangalan ng podcast niya. And na-remind ako na I need to show up or I just have to show up. So ayun, hindi ako nawala actually mag-journal kasi marami akong entry. Pero ayun, parang ngayon lang ako talaga nagkaroon ulit ng urge to film. Pero share ko lang ang one of my journal spreads from our Korea trip. Cute, no? Tapos, ginawa ko to ulit kasi kasama ko si Leon, tapos nagko-collect siya ng stamps and I don't want na mapunta lang siya sa waste or maitapon ko lang. So, ginawan ko siya ng spread. Ang cute! So, ayun. Going back to my journal entry for today, yung for today na lang para ang dami ko kailangang i-debrief sa sarili ko. Pero yung for today, I woke up na I woke up hearing a not so good news, but I'm proud of myself because I've transmuted it and hindi ko siya, kumbaga, inapuyan pa. Parang ganun. So, happy ako doon. And ayun, I just trust God na whatever it is happening to my family, to all of us, hindi niya yun ibibigay talaga kung walang lesson to it or kung wala siyang plano. So, I'm really trusting Him. Ayun. So, meron din akong guilt feeling as a mom kasi kagabi medyo sinisinat ako as in nag-chills ako actually. Tapos LBM ako mga 3 a.m. So, medyo puyat ako. Tapos today, may Olympics sila Leon, and di ako nakapunta. Andiyan na sila actually. Pero yun, may guilt feeling because this is the first time that I missed the Olympics. And nakita ko dun sa videos ni Andy sa kanya na, oh my God, hinahanap niya ang kanyang parents. But Andy was there. But ayun, wala man ako magagawa. I don't want to abuse my body din. Tapos nilagay ko dito sa journal ko na kung lalagyan ko ng meaning yung pag-LBM ko, isipin ko na release to and a reminder sa akin to release my old self. Cause lately, na-feel ko na I've been people-pleasing. Parang dinadrag ko yung sarili ko into something na I'm not 100% or hindi ako all in. But because I know by showing up, there will be results or malalove ko din siya. Parang, yun na lang din yung ginagawa ko. But I know that I am not 100% all in. But this is me closing my loop na once things get boring or uninteresting, this is me closing my loop na I will still show up. Same thing with filming this podcast. And ganun talaga ang buhay, no? Hindi naman laging interesting, hindi naman laging in favor sa'yo. So, reminder lang din talaga na it's not actually people-pleasing, but it's me having an integrity with my word and trusting the process. Wala mong sinabi. So, ayun. Ngayon din na-feel ko na parang meron akong redirection na whatever it is that I am doing is for my own benefit siya. Muna. Ayun. Kasi lately parang nafe-feel ko na meron pa ring remnants or calling to heal myself first before others. Tapos, na-realize ko din na sobrang vocal and honest ko talaga. So, pag pag hindi ko kayang maging honest or I cannot be vocal of what I'm feeling, medyo nagdi-distance ako. Like sa podcast, itong sa pag-share ng journal entries ko. Because for the past few weeks, my journal entries are so vulnerable and honest. And may mga details na ayoko din naman i-share in public because I want to transmit it into things. So kaya din ako nag-stop filming because I don't want to cause anything. So ayun, kinip ko na siya sa sarili ko and parang niresolve ko muna internally kesa yung share lang ako ng share. That's my old self, by the way. So I'm really trying my best to be a better person and to release my old self. Ayun. So when my mouth is shut sa truth and wala na akong chance to tell my own truth, nafe-feel ko na I'm not living 100% truthful life, 'di ba? Kasi nga sobrang vocal ko and I'm a very honest person. Pero learning 'yun sa akin na to really transmute that uh, that pain, that uh, ideas. Kasi 'di ba parang everything na naiisip naman natin are just thoughts. So kailangan ko lang siya i-transmute into something else. So having said that, I really need to respond to a calling. Kasi meron talaga akong calling lately. And kailangan ko na mag-respond to it. Feeling ko ito na yung way how to transmute it. And I'm excited, scared. Syempre, 'di ba, when you want to start something new, it will always feel scary at first. But pag nagawa mo na yung first step, I know na that scary feeling will go away and I will continuously show up again. Ayun lang, I just hope and pray na I will stick to this because this is one way of me transmuting everything. Kaya ko nga stinart tong pag-film ng aking thoughts and journal entries because nahe-help nito i-transmute my thoughts into lessons and really sitting with myself and maybe helping someone out there. Parang bumabalik talaga ako sa core ko na empowering other people. So, kailangan ko lang i-remind yung sarili ko every time. Ang hirap, no, pag ikaw yung leader or ikaw yung manager. Wala talagang nagre-remind sa'yo of the things, kundi sa sarili mo lang or kung meron kang mga sobrang honest na people in your life, 'di ba? Sila lang din yung magre-remind sa'yo. But ayun, I hope to see you in day 2 again. Ayun lang, bye!